The president has urged in favor of scrapping bail for suspected capital offenders.
To give bail or not, even in the capital offenses. Okay, we saw it, but we didn't fight, because we could have fought it. Because at least it was giving power to the judiciary to decide, as the CJ said, responsibly. But now, in no time, we are now being told that bail is a right. Really? Somebody has killed a person and you see him walking here. This is a provocation, I can tell you.
Cabinet has backed the move. The judiciary and the legislature are divided on the contentious matter, while commentators and public have shared feedback. The latest is the former Chief Justice Bart, Katureebe, who is against denial of bail.
The Foundation for Human Rights Initiatives had gone to the court challenging certain aspects of bail, saying it's a right. And the Constitutional Court disagreed with them and decided against them. They appealed to the Supreme Court. We sat a panel of 7 judges, because it's a constitutional matter, 7 judges, and we gave a decision. We have reasoned judgments there. So you go and read our judgments.
Katureebe says revisiting the Constitution will resolve the current impasse.
So if the Attorney General wants to amend the law, that's his role. But once I spoke in a judgment, my judgment has not been overturned. The Supreme Court has not reversed it, because it's only the Supreme Court that can reverse it. But if they want to use the legislature to make amendments, now that one I cannot talk about.
Speaking at the launch of the Conflict Center, Katureebe advised conflicting parties to explore other avenues and not just court.
Some of those disputes where serious litigants, aided by serious lawyers, can look for a serious mediator, and in a spirit of give and take, someone says, if I am going to wait for 5 years to have a commercial dispute resolved and have my money tied up and I get out of business, if I can settle for less than what I was demanding and I get back to business next year.
On the issue of case backlog, Katureebe says addressing a number of justices and logistics is central.
So in other words, to dispose of the current load of cases, that judge will need about 4 or 5 years to complete. That shows you the magnitude of the case backlog. And I think the commercial court, it is the same thing. They are saying they have, the commercial court, they are now saying they have 5,300 cases.
Currently, the judiciary is heightening plans to increase the number of magistrates across the country to administer justice. At least 300 Grade 1 magistrates are required according to the judiciary, Jameson Karimani. Story by Chris Semalimu Semakula for CTV, Film Edition.
That's why we have this type of office. Now, these are people who are not going to be here full time, but someone comes to mediate a